Okay, ever since I saw this guy take out this metallic copper out of zinc sulfate using something called, I can't remember, citrus or something like that. I don't know if it was citrus or it was a different name, but I wanted to take it out. And some of these chemicals that they mention in the internet are too expensive for people, and I wanted to take out that. See the metallic copper? It's mixed with something else too, because I tried to take it out with zinc first, and it almost left me without zinc. See this one I took out of pennies. It was like 4 or 5, more than 5 pennies, but it was pure zinc. You can see right there. And now it's black, and it sacrificed itself so much. Look at the layer it took out. So I was looking for an alternative, and my fishing stuff was over there, so I just decided to drop lead into the copper sulfate. And pardon, my laboratory sucks here. I put the zinc one on that one, and it's like milky. But when I put the lead into this one, look how it bubbles up. And it bubbles up very fast. Look, from gray to copper color. And then once it stopped bubbling a lot, I would go back to my solution of baking soda and water. And look how much copper it has, metallic copper on it. So now I will go like here, and look, the copper came off, and it's in the water, the metallic copper. You can see it floating in the water right now. But basically that's what I'm doing, and it's taking a lot of copper out, metallic copper, because the zinc also did not take metallic completely copper out. It was some kind of different materials altogether. But you can clearly see the copper right there, metal. See it? That copper metal is actually came out with the lead. So I'm going to use a coffee filter later on and try to extract it and probably clean it more. But if you want to take out copper metal out of the solution, I advise to use lead. And you probably have lead. If you fish, you probably have it laying around just everywhere. But look, you see how it's eaten though, but it still picks up. Look when it goes back in. See? Okay, if you like this video, press like, subscribe to my channel. This is Luis Martinez in Baytown, Texas.